anyone ever scrap anything like that? That's a first for me. Scrapped a lot of things over the years, but never industrial overhead garage doors. Got 3 of them sitting at the old snowmobile club. They called me. Nobody else wanted to take them. Local dump won't take them. Too big. Too much to deal with, so called me to get it done. It was a hell of a job. About an hour to get those 2 on there. Wish I could have got the 3rd, but gonna have to go back. As you can see, they take up a lot of room, and I don't know. The guy called me. He said he has a pretty good sized tractor, and he said, "Man, I don't know how much those things weigh, but," he said, "my tractor wouldn't even budge them." He said he couldn't even pick one end up. So with the trailer, I figured it'd be easier with the winch and the wireless remote. I can mess around. Got the little beaver tail on there, backed her up. Snuck them on there, but they feel heavy. I mean, usually on the trailer, on the metal deck, once something's on there, I can still kind of shimmy it around, push it, pull it where you want. But once those were on there, could not be moved. Not with one guy, anyway. Put your guesses in down below. What do you think these things are going to weigh? Just straight up, probably tin they're going to give me, because it's way oversized, even though it's a lot of heavy steel in there. So I don't know. I think it's like $80 a ton right now for tin or something like that. It might be even less. It might be 70, but feels heavy. Don't dually squat just a little bit. Feels like I'm towing a truck or something. Maybe an old F-150 on the back. We'll see. Weighing in 14,380 for everything. So now it's a bunch of trips on and off the scale. Had to leave the trailer, had to unhook, because I got rotors are 180 a ton right now, so those are going to be separate. We got some number 1, and then this boat motor classifies as irony aluminum, which is big money if you got a lot of that stuff, like lawnmower engines, regular, car and truck engines that have aluminum and stuff like that. That's why I got money for that 4.8, but here we go. Monte Carlo in the Camry. How you doing? And now, for the last of it, we can finally hit the button. Now we don't even have to get out. Crusher on the hill. said those garage doors were heavy. I was right. Over a ton each. 4,260 pounds for those things. They called it unprepared number one, which, yeah, I guess, but same price for light iron or tin or what they call it wherever you're from. But there you go. 159.75. Yep. And then we had rotors, 540 pounds of rotors at 180 a ton. So not bad. 48.60 for the rotors. The boat motor, 21 bucks for that little boat motor. That's not bad. 120 pounds. Irony, aluminum, or stainless. And little number one, some struts, some shocks, whatever. 200 pounds. 145 a ton for that stuff. 14.50. And we get a total 5,120 pounds total. 243.85. Not so bad. What better way to celebrate gas station wings? My favorite. Ooh, look at these crispy little things. What we got on here for a price? $6.99 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But look at this wing. Ooh, that's a monster. We got 2 different sauces, honey mustard, sweet chili. Celebrate. Why not? Lunchtime, technically. So, save the gas. Crunchy wings. So, no Dunkin' to celebrate. Going to a new scrapyard. Even shorter. Oh, ate the wings too fast. Got the hiccups. Shorter ride. About a half hour. Oh. Some would say those garage doors, I should have charged to pick those up. Not many would do it. 160 bucks. I worked my ass off getting those things on there. But in this, having a small business, doing what I do, when you're in a small town, sometimes you have to do things to make people happy, and it helps you out in the end. So, and someone like that guy, who also has a small business and is part of the big snowmobile club and all that, calls me and says, geez, we really need to get this out of there. Can you help us? Can you help us out? The way I figure it is only going to make my name look better. So, take a little time out of my day, pick those things up, makes them happy, scores me some points, and haul it in, little gas. The other stuff was just local auto repairs, auto repair garages that I have bins at, and they throw the stuff in, the rotors and all the parts. So threw that in the truck and take a little ride. Ooh, sweet chili's got a little bite to it. Little ride, nice fall day. Couple dollars, but of course not as good as hauling in scrap cars, that's for sure. But you can't always have the gravy. Sometimes you gotta have the hot dogs and the beans. Little iced tea, lemonade combo. No music around here, come on. This is YouTube. Honey mustard. Sometimes they got the wings that are like, they call them hot wings, but they're not really hot. They almost seem like they're baked, but they have like the sauce kind of like cooked into them. Those are good. They're a lot better than these, but these are like breaded Crispies. Any wing's a good wing to me. Well, what was your guess on those garage doors? Gonna have to go back, get the third one. But the guy was already pretty happy that I got two of them, so I'm not in no hurry. But definitely get it before the snow. I scrap garage doors all day long if you give them to me. Load them up.